Let's read the book Little Santa's Workshop. Can you hear the festive cheer? Christmas Day is almost here. Busy elves and lots of noise, helping hands all building toys. Checking twice and then again, letters from so many friends. Sugary and oh, so sweet. One for you and a treat for me. Jingle bells and candy canes, dreaming of a reindeer chain. Shining bright from above, hot cocoa and so much love. Santa's workshop is lots of fun. Ho ho home to everyone.